Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your PlayStation 5 controller on the PlayStation 5. So if there is an update available or you want to go and just check for the update, we are on the home screen here. Let's go up to settings and select this and then go on down and go to accessories right here. Then go to controller and then go to the right. And we want to go to where it says DualSense wireless controller device software. Now I have this version 0402 up to date. So I wouldn't be able to update my controller because it doesn't need an update. So I can select this though, and the latest version of the DualSense wireless controller device is already installed. If I didn't already have installed, I can go to this section, and I believe we have wireless updates now, so we don't need to connect it via USB cable, but we might have to do that. Just go to OK, and then just leave your controller on the table and don't move it, and allow it to apply a fresh update. And then after about like a minute, you should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.